Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your screen captures or maybe even your video recordings on your Xbox application on your Android phone. So if you recorded something on your Xbox Series X or Xbox One, well, you can go to the Xbox app right here and click on it and sign in with your Xbox profile. Now on the bottom here, you're going to see all these different tabs like Friends, and then the home screen, the search icon. And the third one is going to be like these three little lines down here. We want to go ahead and select this on the top. This is my library. We want to go to captures. And under here, we can see all the captures from our Xbox. Our screenshots will be included in here too. So we can go to one of these captures. We can select it and we can start watching it. And we're going to hear the audio. So you can actually save this and download it to your phone. You can copy the link and send it to someone else if you want to go ahead and do that. If they want to go ahead and see it, you can edit it or you can share it. So a lot of times I just go to save and I'll download it to my phone. And then I'll send it on over to Discord or something like that, since I have that application on my phone. So that's a very easy way to share it to a different platform. But all your recordings should be in here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.